locking wheels. The two front parts can be tilted or lay flat. They have locking adjusters. It can also be raised taller. The top shelf can be up high or down low. Same type of locking. Places to and stuff. Really strong clip for a cup holder. I'm going to use it for pencils and stuff because I'm going to be using it in a craft room. Very sturdy and well made.
Easy to assemble. I'm not sure of this extra stuff that they had me to put on, but still, nonetheless, it's a nice sturdy desk. Perfect for 1 bedroom. I will give it 5 stars. Need better instructions, but I'm pretty good at following picture details. But very good. Very sturdy. Can't wait to get the rest of my equipment in to start my new journey working from home.